How to turn off safe mode on Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So one thing you will have to know is the recorder will not work when you are using safe mode. So I will not be able to directly show you, but I will show you via some screenshots which I took during my safe mode, and I will show you the exact process. So the number one step is simply drag down your screen from top of the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen, and it will look like this. Here you can see safe mode is on, and tap here to turn off safe mode is shown. Simply tap on it and then you will land in this interface. It will ask you if you want to turn off safe mode. Simply tap on the turn off button and then your phone will restart, and then it will all your apps will be available again and your safe mode will be disabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.